So you basically, in a startup, you cannot fix what you can't see. And a lot of the time, like, there's this gap between a founder's performance, a founder's strengths, a founder's weaknesses, and how everybody else perceives their strengths, their weaknesses, and their performance. And that difference as a founder, if you become good at finding that difference, you'll be a much better problem solver. And why is that important? It's because solving problems is basically your only job as a founder, right? You're like a consultant. You're just paid much less in the beginning. So yeah, right at the end, you basically have to make sure that you are able to understand what it is that you impact that situation with. If you can't do that, you won't succeed.
I mean, if you're a pig, you're a pig, right? You're not a horse. You can become a really great pig, right? Like one of those at Olma, there's these pig races once a year, you know? You can become the #1 pig, right? But you cannot become a horse, and you have to know that, right?